If you are a beginner, you might be researching waxes. This is a comprehensive guide on the most popular waxes and all the relevant data. This was compiled for a course I am writing and made for index cards stored in my Candle notebox for reference. How to use this file. Waxes are organized by type. You can ignore the upper right-hand number. This is a number used by me for my Zettelkasten. If a wax is a luxury wax, it is indicated. This is important. If you intend to make luxury candles, you need to choose a luxury wax. Screenshot any relevant information you would like to print to an index card. Command-Shift-4 is what I use on the Mac. These won't be narrated. Let me know in the comments what you would add to this list. Enjoy! And before we get started, if we haven't met yet, I am Kimberly Patterson, and I teach candle makers how to turn plain vessels into profitable works of art using engraving and sublimation. Want to know what to watch next? I really think you will enjoy our video on wick types. Link is in description. Please like and subscribe to this channel so we can keep getting content out to more candle makers. If you're serious about candle making, start thinking like a candle artist. If you want to go deeper into candle design, sublimation, engraving, and creating candles that truly stand out, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in getting my book on sublimation and engraving at cost, the link is in the description. Buyers of my book can explore a free trial that includes one-on-one coaching, a physical monthly newsletter delivered to your front door, and my private school community. And if you'd rather buy my candles instead of making them yourself, I've added a link to my Etsy shop below. See you next time on The Candle Artist Way.